Hmm. As long as they're not rad roaches, they're gonna share their radioactiveness with you. But remember at the Lakeview Terrace house? Remember how you used to find the roaches against the baseboard? You'd find them. Now those ones they weren't smushed, right? No, no, the ones at the Lakeview Terrace house. Yes. I usually drench them in that orange bug spray that I think we got at Sam's Club. I think it was Sam's Club. You couldn't get it at Costco. It was only available at Sam's Club. If it wasn't Sam's Club, then it was Costco because it was one or the other, and you couldn't get it at either or at exactly yes. But I think it was Sam's Club. The very special with the hard plastic and it was a really thick can, and you just. I used to drench them in that orange, and when I fumigated my room, I literally like hot box fumigated the room till it was like cloudy hot box with the citrus smell. I like the citrus smell. I mean, whether I was trying to just incense with the bug spray, but that's basically how I got them. Some of them were squished, but not like squished and slid their little blood internals because roaches are I I think roaches are primarily exoskeleton. Yeah, they got wings and they can fly, but I think it's primarily their exoskeleton. Well, some of the water bugs are the ones that fly. The roaches don't. They just have the exoskeleton and they crawl around. But water bugs in Florida. But no, these bugs at the Lakeview Terrace house, and I purposely would bug spray them with the orange citrus and just leave them, scoot them onto the baseboard edges, that when the others come walking out, that they're seeing all of their brethren and siblings and relatives all along the baseboard. I started having this repetitive dream. Now you know how you had what used to be. I think that was Marty Bell's room, and the one with the pool sliding door window. That was my room. It was mine at Chicha's, and then it was mine, and you and Dad had the master bedroom. That wall, that blank wall, right? That was a blank wall. In the dream, it wasn't a blank wall. In the dream, there was a double door that you could open that up. You open it up, and there was, I guess, the AC unit sitting in there. Okay. Now, in my dream, I kept imagining that there was a huge swarm of cockroaches Sometimes I'd fall in, sometimes they pull out, or they'd flood out. They'd like flood out. And get me. But it was like basically, I guess you know how you said, sleep on it, and God might send you an answer in the dream. This was one of my little repetitive dreams, and this is what I did back then. I mean, recently, like at the Samaritan Well House, they had I got there, and they're like doing massive cleaning because the next day somebody was coming to fumigate. Not they weren't tenting the house, but I guess they were coming in to fumigate. So washed every single dish in the house, all the pots and pans, todo, everything. Washed the counters, washed everything. And even after that fumigation, there's still little roaches. I mean, not a whole heck of a lot. I mean, I got the videos of one that went crawling into one of the little roach catchers, and the egg sack. It was a huge egg sack, so I'm pretty sure she didn't drag it on her bottom, but they dragged it to there, and it got stuck, and then it opened, and you had all the little babies stuck in there, and that one roach that I guess dragged the egg sack there was it was still twitching and everything, but all the babies were gone. But every little roach that I found, I'd scoop it up in a cup or something and take it outside and toss it outside in the bush or in the grass. So I mean, but back at the Lakeview Terrace house, yep. I there were a couple of times where I squished them and I'd scoot them underneath the TV in the living room, or I'd leave them along the mantle, or not the mantle, the base of the fireplace, and in the hallways, the kitchen. Well, the kitchen you could scoot them underneath the counter, so that little backsplash that the counter had, so they were kind of hidden under the counter, but you couldn't hide them in the hallway. In the hallway, they were just up against the baseboard. I just basically kept the road clear and left all of the roaches on the edges of the baseboard. But yeah, I think that's why I had the repetitive dream. And so, communed with the roaches, and so they kind of retaliated in their group because if I remember correctly, the wall in the hallway between the master bedroom and the pool room, the pool with the sliding glass door that led to the pool, that was a blank wall. There was. Oh, it was? Oh. Why do I remember being a blank wall? Well, yes. Mhm. Well, well, when you exited your master bedroom, that wall, that hallway wall, right outside your master bedroom door, was Okay. Okay. I'm at 15%, Mom. I'm at 15%. I should probably charge up because I'm hoping to get a good night call with the kids. I love you too. Later.